We are discussing about solutions for GATE 2005 ECE paper, and the topic we are discussing is electron devices. This is 7th 2-mark question, came in GATE 2005. A mass capacitor made using p-type substrate is in the accumulation mode. The dominant charge present in the channel is due to A. Holes, B. Electrons, C. Positively charged ions, D. Negatively charged ions. Whenever a mass capacitor is made up of p-type substrate and if it is in accumulation mode, the dominant charge present in the channel is. The correct answer for this one is A. Holes. We will see the details. This is a simple mass capacitor. A mass capacitor can be made up of gate material followed by silicon dioxide and p-type substrates. It can also form using n-type substrate, but given in the problem is nothing but gate capacitor, mass capacitor made up of p-type substrate. So this is gate and it is silicon dioxide and it is p-type substrate. Gate is one material, one conductor, and substrate is one more conductor. Two conductors in between. Dielectric medium is nothing but silicon dioxide. So a simple mass capacitor, and this simple mass capacitor can be in different regions based on the voltage you are applying across gate. Since the other side is grounded, what we can do is nothing but we can apply voltage across this one. Depending on the voltage across Vg, it may be either in different modes. We will see that one first. When Vg is negative, if the voltage across this gate is going to be negative voltage, if you are applying negative voltage for the gate, by that time mass capacitor is said to be in accumulation mode or accumulation region. If the gate voltage is positive but it is lesser than threshold voltage, this is second case. When the gate voltage is positive but it is less than threshold voltage, then the mass capacitor is said to be in depletion region. Threshold voltage is nothing but minimum gate to source voltage required to create a channel. So if you are applying lesser than that one, at that time the mass capacitor will be said in depletion region. Then next, if the gate voltage is more positive, that is greater than threshold voltage, by that time there are two regions are going to be existing. One is linear or triode region, the other is saturation region. So if VGS is greater than VT, then we have to compare effective gate voltage, which is nothing but VGS minus VT, and drain to source voltage. Based on these things, if VDS is going to be lesser than effective gate voltage, then it will be in linear or triode region. If gate to drain to source voltage is greater than or equal to VGS minus VT, then the capacitor mass transistor is in saturation region. So in our problem, what was given? The mass capacitor is in accumulation mode. Accumulation mode means gate voltage we have to apply negative voltage. Whenever we are applying negative voltage, this is negative. This negative can attract positive charge carriers. So it is attracting the positive charge carriers present in p-type substrate. Positive charge carriers in p-type substrate are holes. So holes are going to be attracted towards this polarity, negative charge, negative voltage. But this SiO2 layer is going to be acting as insulator, which stops the movement of holes going towards gate side. So all those holes are going to be attracted near the channel, near this, just below this silicon dioxide layer. All those holes are going to be formed over this place. So by that time this region near SiO2 is called as channel. At this point what you are getting is nothing but holes, since you are applying negative voltage. If you could have applied positive voltage, there you may get electrons. Since it is in accumulation mode, Vg is negative, so that the charge dominant is holes. So under accumulation mode, gate voltage is negative, which attracts holes from p-type substrate. The dominant charge present in the channel is holes. The correct answer for the question is holes, A. Thank you.